welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are doing this adorable Christmas dog Bitty Boutique bow. Before I go forward, please remember to click the like button. Also, if you are not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button down below. There's a bell right next to it. Click that bell, select all so you are notified every time I upload a new video. I'm going to be doing 4 videos this month, so you don't want to miss any of these. This one is the Christmas dog. Next week we are doing a 4-bow along, including a 2 bows that were requested by one of you over on my Instagram page using these centers. If you are not following my Instagram page yet, please head over to Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. I do ask for video suggestions from you guys, and I preview videos I am doing as well. So that's a great place to stay up to date on what we're doing there. I'm going to attempt in the new year to be more active with that. So I will definitely be working harder on that, but make sure to like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and comment below if you have any tutorial requests. I am trying to take more requests from you guys, so please feel free to comment down below if you have any questions or video requests. And now we're going to get on to the bow. Alright, I'm going to link the tutorial for this bow down below. We're just going to speed through with putting it together. What you're going to need for this tutorial is you're going to need your scissors. You're going to need your hot glue gun. You are going to need a lighter. You're going to need your bow pieces, your clip of choice, a piece of ribbon to wrap the center, and your center of choice. I am just doing this cute little dog with the bone. This is actually a button. It's from a company called Dress It Up. There's actually 2 buttons. I glued this one to it. But all I did was cut the shanks off the back. I don't know if you can see underneath all that hot glue. I just cut the little button, loop shank off the back, and then just put a little bit of hot glue just to hold it together until I attach it to the bow. This will end up melting when I glue it down. I just wanted to hold everything together. So, like I said, I will link the tutorial for this down below. We're just putting it together. It's kind of like a Christmas bow along. I'd wanted to do a more full in-depth video, but unfortunately, I have been battling a pretty serious knee injury, and that has kept me from doing a lot of videos. So I apologize to you guys in advance and now for being away for so long, but I tore my MCL. Well, I had a partial tear to my MCL, and I just finished physical therapy yesterday, so I can hopefully get back to my life. But you're going to take the pinwheel base bow. I have a little bit of hot glue there. And take the pinwheel base bow and attach it to the spikes just like that. At this point, before I add anything more, what I do is I take my clip and just run a line of glue and attach it to the back now. Trust me, it is so much easier to do this. So just attach your clip to the back, hold it down for a minute, make sure that it fully adheres. All right, and then what I do is I take the ribbon that's going to be the center wrap, and I attach that inside the clip now as well. It's easier when you can do it before everything's on top, when everything's pretty much still flat. You can actually do this too while it's just the pinwheel without the spikes. Totally your choice on how you want to go about this. I'm just showing you what works easier for me. And a little bit of glue seepage. There we go. All All right, so we're ready to start attaching this. We're going to put the Bitty Boutique bow topper into the surround bow. I will do my best to link these ribbons down below too. Like most of these you can get at Ribbon and Bows Oh My. I will find all the links for the ribbons and link them down below. And if I can find a link for the dog button, I will as well, but I cannot guarantee that I can find a link for that. Because like I said, I just bought mine at Walmart. I went into the craft section one day to pick up some stiffener. And they had a bunch of these just on the end cap. So tip, when you are going to Walmart, look at the end caps. They'll have seasonal stuff, ribbon, and a lot of the times they'll have buttons. Buttons are really good to use as bow centers, and I will show you guys how to do that, but I thought this was just really too cute to pass up. So this is attached to the surround. This is attached to the base. And we're just going to quickly run a line of glue. Trying to blitz through this so that I can discuss more about the button center when we get to that part. I'm sorry if you can hear any noises in the background. I have my craft room door open, and there is a very persistent cat in the kitchen who has decided to take it upon themselves to make a whole lot of noise today. So once all of the pieces are attached, you're going to wrap the center ribbon around. Just to hold everything together. It is really important that you pull as tight as you can here. What I usually do is just hold either side of the bow where the center wrap is and pull from underneath. This just makes sure everything is nice and tight and secure and it's not going to come apart. Bring it up through, open the clip, just a little dab of glue, attach that, and cut it off just like that. Heat seal the ends, and there you have the bow. You can stop here. If you don't want to add a center, that's fine. It's a really cute bow. What I do is I do end up gluing the ends of the spikes together just so that it stays perfectly fanned out. And just a little bit of glue. You don't want a whole lot because you will have some seepage if you put too much. So like that is way too much. So just drag the glue up. I know my glue gun is a hot mess express and it's still functional, which is why we keep it. And if, like me, you have put too much glue, just run your lighter over it and clean it up. So there we go. The bow is finished. You can leave it just like this. It is a perfectly adorable bow, but we are not here for perfectly adorable bows. We are here to add a little bit more. Now, there is a lump of glue there on the back. As you can see, it's a lump, but that will melt once you do this. Just add a dollop of glue and add that to the center of the bow.
A few moments later.
Hi, sorry, the perils in having my office door open when my son came home from school. He just announced, "Hi Mom, I'm home." So I had a quick pause to go over everything with him. But the center is attached, and as you can see, it makes a really, really cute bow center. This one, however, though, because we cut the shank off, the back does get a little loose. So a good tip there is just to bend it back, squirt a little bit of hot glue in there, pinch it tight. If you have a little bit of seepage, like I do, what I do is I take just one of these little orange sticks. These are really great to have in bow making, and just work the glue out. It does take a little bit. If I could find the good orange, oh, there we go. If I have the good one without the weird tip at the top. This tip is usually the better one, this slanted one. And just work that out. If that doesn't work, sometimes I'll take one of my Cricut weeding tools and just wiggle it out. There we go. All right, that is the bow, guys. How adorable is that? Again, these buttons you can pick up in a pack of them, and they'll have different buttons in there, and they do tend to make a really quick, really cute bow center. You can add more embellishments to this bow, whatever your taste. This was just a quick, simple Christmas bow long with the tip on using buttons as bow centers. Again, this is really simple. You can find these buttons you can get at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Walmart. Joann's even has them, I believe. But if I can find a link for these specific Christmas dog ones, I will link these down below. And as always, the full tutorial for this bow, as well as any necessary supply links, will be down below if I can find them. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye.